Let's explore the facsimile of the Erlangen manuscript of Christine de Pizan's Epistle of Othéa. The splendidly illuminated Erlangen manuscript was produced around 1460 for a member of the ducal court of Burgundy. It was almost certainly intended to teach the ideal of enlightened Christian knighthood to the future Duke Charles the Bold. Christine's text, written 2 generations earlier in Middle French, offers its advice in the voice of Othéa, a figure invented by the author. She is the goddess of prudence, shown in the manuscript with 3 faces that look to the past, the present, and the future. The text is presented in 100 chapters. Each chapter begins with a 4-line poem encapsulating a story or person drawn from ancient literature. Then follows a prose gloss, giving the moral sense of the poem in its classical context. Then, an allegory explaining the Christian lesson to be learned from the ancient story. The chapter closes with a quotation in Latin from the Bible or Christian dogma. The stories inspiring the Christian allegories include that of Adonis, killed by a wild boar despite Venus's pleas to refrain from hunting. The next story focuses on King Laomedon's mistake of having his armies rush out of the city of Troy when under attack. And Orpheus's musical talent sparks a lesson that the Christian knight should not indulge in idle pastimes. The future Duke learned these lessons of proper behavior from a truly sumptuous manuscript, written in the elegant cursive script favored at the time for French-language texts. The masterful miniatures are the work of the Burgundian court artist Willem Vreeland. They are in semi-grisaille, with the figures, architecture, and landscape elements painted in tones of gray against brilliant blue backgrounds. The technique shows off Vreeland's skill in giving objects the illusion of 3-dimensionality. He uses gold for isolated details and the painting's shimmer. As the future Duke read of positive and negative models from antiquity, he surely delighted in the book's stunning visual impact. The facsimile was published by Imago in Italy in 2023.